Good morning to all the students of 10th class. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy Eid. Hope you all have enjoyed. Right? Now, let's come back to the class. Okay. So, in our previous class, we discussed about America. याद है सबको 3 hours policy? Now, after America, we are continuing about the Germany children. Economic depression in Germany. Okay. So now again same problem here, that is from the year 1929 to the year 1939, the complete economic depression here. Okay, so now we are discussing about the Germany. Children, यहाँ पर unemployment was a major problem. Industrial production was reduced. Okay, German economy was the worst hit by the depression. By the year 1932, industrial production was reduced to 40%. Okay, workers lost their jobs. It has created unemployment. Everywhere anxiety and fear. Okay, and here due to that everywhere you it is spoiling the young youth. बच्चों, अगर नौजवान इंसान को नौकरी नहीं मिलती है, what they will do? They will involve in the criminal activities because they do not have any food to eat, right? So here the same problem. Anxiety means worries everywhere, and political instability was there in that country. So today we are going to discuss about the fascism and Nazism in Germany. Okay children, so very important answer, very important topic related to this. Fascism was one ideology, okay, which was developed after World War I, especially in the defeated countries. Okay, ये महत्व देती थी national unity in order to expand and win over other nation. Okay, ये लोग समझते थे कि अपने देश और जो लोग इनकी बात नहीं मानते थे वो लोग उनको मतलब they dictatorial type of government they formed. Okay, fascism used political violence. Okay, and they want to bring the national unity in. Let's learn the definition of this Nazism. Nazis party. Okay, the ideology, it was introduced by Adolf Hitler. Okay, which encouraged building armed forces, regaining territorial area which was lost, and they are against the communism. ओके बच्चों, इसका मकसद क्या है कि आइडियोलॉजी है किसकी? अडल्फ हिटलर की, नाजी पार्टी. ये आर्म फोर्स ज़्यादा बनाना चाहते हैं. अब इनका मकसद है कि टेरिटोरियल एरिया जो भी चला गया वापस लाना, एंड दे आर टोटली अगेंस्ट कम्युनिज़म. ओके, नाजी पार्टी का मकसद था बच्चों, they developed hatred towards the Jews in Germany. Okay, now I am attaching one page number 173 paragraph. Children, read this paragraph. Okay, previous video आपको बताया गया है, that was related to Hitler, right? Now read this. Hitler was a powerful speaker. इतना अच्छा स्पीकर था बच्चों. He can motivate the people to audience towards his speech. His passion and his words moved many people. इन्हें एक ऐसा बोला कि मैं announced to the people that he will bring a strong nation, and whatever injustice done in Treaty of Versailles he want to restore. Okay, that is the dignity of the German. उन्होंने और एक बात बोले, he promised that employment for those looking for work he want to give, and he want to secure the future for the youth. He promised to remove all foreign influence and fight all foreign conspiracies against Germany. आ गया बच्चों. सो बच्चों, हिटलर अपना खुद का पार्टी बनाया, अपनी पार्टी का खुद का बैनर बनाया और उसका सिंबल दिया अपने पार्टी का स्वास्तिक. ओके, सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हिटलर इलेक्शन में पहली बार ठहरा, उसको बहुत कम वोट्स मिले. आफ्टर ऑल ही अट्रैक्टेड टू द पीपल एंड ही गॉट many votes in the election. Okay, in 1920 In 1928 election, Nazi party got less than 2.6% of votes. Okay, then in the year 1932 he was popular and he won. And in enabling act, okay, what is enabling act? Enabling act is an act which gave complete authority to Hitler in Germany. So जब उसको पूरा authority मिली children, he established complete control over the economy, media, army and judiciary. okay? और बच्चों ये अपनी आर्मी को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया, स्पेशल सर्वेलेंस एंड सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस क्रिएट की गई. ओके, और वो अलग अलग ट्रूप्स बनाया, जैसा स्टॉर्म ट्रूप्स, गेस्टापो, ओके, SD दैट इज सिक्योरिटी सर्विस एक्सेट्रा. आ गया बच्चों समझ में? नाउ ही सेड दैट वो अपनी रेस को बहुत आगे लेके जाएगा और ये प्रॉमिस करा लोगों से कि वो इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी करेगा देश की, और इसके लिए इसने एक इकोनॉमिस्ट को अपॉइंट किया. ओके चिल्ड्रन, जलमार. ओके, सो हिज एम क्या था बच्चों? फुल प्रोडक्शन. he want to give employment, he want to give funds to the people through a state fund work creation program. Are you all understanding? So under the shadow, but children, during Second World War there is a loss everywhere. Okay, depression was there. Kya children, number of people killed including about 60 lakh Jews, 2 lakh Gypsies, 10 lakh Polish civilians, 70,000 Germans were considered mentally and physically disabled beside innumerable. So children, wars and killing achieved nothing but a war. Okay, so in the year 1939 Hitler attack on Poland. Okay, so like that the world war started. आ गया बच्चों समझ में? टेरिटोरियल एरिया वापस लेने के लिए हिटलर ने ओके, इमीडिएट आफ्टर दैट वर्ल्ड वॉर स्टार्टेड. ओके बच्चों, वर्ल्ड वॉर 1, वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के ऑलमोस्ट कॉजेज सेम है, जैसा कि एग्रेसिव नेशनलिज्म, मिलिट्रलिज्म, इम्पेरियलिज्म, सीक्रेट अलायंसेस. बट बच्चों apart from that there are 2 more reasons for the cause which created World War II. That is the Treaty of Versailles and also failure of the League of Nations. Okay, so children, Treaty of Versailles में जितना जर्मनी पर इम्पोज किया गया टैक्सेस, ओके, ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्सेल्स में ह्यूमिलेट किया गया जर्मनी को, उसका बदला जर्मनी लेना चाहता था. ओके, सो सेकेंड इज फेलियर ऑफ द लीग ऑफ नेशन. बच्चों लीग ऑफ नेशन का एक और इसका इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है लीग ऑफ नेशन, और इसका मकसद था वर्ल्ड वॉर को रोकना, पर ये ऐसा नहीं कर पाई. हर कंट्री अपने अपने हथियार बना रही थी. इसके ये सेकेंड काउज है विच क्रिएटेड वर्ल्ड वॉर 2. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट चिल्ड्रन, German challenge to the vengeful domination. Okay, so the victorious allies wanted to punish Germany for starting the war and cripple it so that it could not rise again. Okay, so children, here all this humiliation encourage Germany to create a war. आगे आपको समझ में? और दूसरा है बच्चों सोशलिज्म, यानी फियर था कि कहाँ सोशलिज्म पूरी दुनिया में स्प्रेड हो जाएगा. ओके, या जैसा कि आफ्टर रशियन रेवोल्यूशन एवरी country want to adopt the policy and the ideologies of Russia. So here the western capitalist countries like Britain were afraid that similar revolution would start in their countries. So Europe and other countries like they encourage Hitler and the Nazi to policy of appeasement is important children. Okay, these European countries encourage Hitler and the Nazi party to come together and fight against USSR is called as appeasement. Okay, immediate cause तो समझ गए आप लोग? immediate cause समझ में आया? Hitler attack on Poland on 1st September 1939 and slowly other countries join hand together. Okay children, here on 1st September 1939 Germany invaded Poland. On 3rd September Britain France declared war on वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 वॉज स्टार्टेड। आ गया बच्चों समझ में? ओके, सो हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे कि वर्ल्ड वॉर एंड कैसे हुआ। वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 एंड कब हुआ? जब किसने अटैक किया? अमेरिका अटैक ऑन हिरोशिमा नागासाकी पर। जब अमेरिका बॉम्ब डालती है तब बहुत नुकसान हो जाता है। लाइक दैट World War II ended. In next class I will continue the consequences of. Try to remember the things what I have explained. Thank you for listening. If voice is not clear, children please consider